I'm at Sycharth, which is of course the birthplace and the court of Owain Glyndwr, who led a rebellion against the English king and who ruled Wales between 1400 and 1409. Glyndwr was descended from a number of Welsh royal dynasties, and during his rule he established a parliament in Machynlleth. He established diplomatic relationships, relations with the Scots, the French, the Spanish and the Bretons. And he also announced plans to establish 2 universities in Wales. Though the English king managed to reconquer Wales in 1409, Glyndwr was never captured and simply went to ground. Earlier this year, over 10,000 people supported a petition to the Senedd calling on the Welsh government to secure this important site for the nation, for the future. Unfortunately, that petition was refused. And in fact, just earlier this week, Powys County Council refused an application to put up special brown signs to direct people to this important site, bearing in mind its significance in Welsh history. I think that's a shame.